Hello everyone, my name is Denis Denisenko. In this video, we'll talk about integrating the Dolphin anti-detect browser with the Facebook autofill product, Dolphin Cloud. The Dolphin anti-browser integrates with Dolphin Cloud via an extension that's automatically added to every browser profile created with the Facebook type. If a profile was created with a different type and you need to add the extension manually, we've left a link to it and a manual in the video description. The extension lets you quickly transfer Facebook accounts from Dolphin anti-profiles to Dolphin Cloud for ad launching and other account operations. What do you need for this? You'll need an authorized Dolphin Cloud account to get a special key, a token, which will establish the connection between the extensions and the autofill tool. You'll need a Facebook-type browser profile where our extension for transferring accounts to the autofill tool is already pre-installed. How do you get the Dolphin Cloud token? First, you need to open the autofill tool and log into your account. After that, go to the settings section via the left-hand menu. Next, copy the key from the authorization token field for integration with our Dolphin. To have the token automatically inserted into the extension of every Facebook-type browser profile, add it to the browser settings. This way, you won't need to manually paste the token into the extension. To start, you need to go to the Dolphin anti-browser settings. At the top, there's a Dolphin integration block. You need to paste the token into the field, scroll down and click the Save button. Done. Now the token will be automatically inserted into the extension in every Facebook-type browser profile. To add an account from Dolphin Anti to the autofill tool, you need to create a Facebook-type browser profile, launch it, go to facebook.com, log in, and go to Ads Manager. After that, click on the Dolphin extension icon. When you click the icon, you'll see the extension interface window. In the window, you can see the Facebook token used to add accounts to Dolphin Cloud. You can enter an account name, specify a user agent or leave it as default, choose a proxy, either no proxy, add one in the extension window, or pick an existing one, assign tags optionally, and choose whether to add cookies for this account. Then, by clicking the Transfer Cookies button, the account will be added to the autofill tool. If the extension can't connect to Dolphin, there could be several reasons. For example, an old Chrome user agent version or an incorrect Dolphin access token. The problem could also be with the proxy. For detailed troubleshooting, you should contact our service's technical support on the website. If you have questions or difficulties at any stage of integration or adding an account, contact technical support via the chat on Dolphin Cloud. At the same time, the Facebook Dolphin Cloud extension can also be used in other anti-detect browsers. The extension can be downloaded from the Chrome Web Store. We'd like to remind you that for all new users, we have a 20% discount on the first payment with the promo code YouTube. With a one-time payment for any annual plan, you'll receive an automatic discount of 40%. Don't forget to comment on the manuals and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new updates or project news. Thank you for watching.